System Audit Trail Report. A System Audit Trail Report is a document that provides a detailed record of all the financial transactions and system events that have occurred within the software. In this report, you can view what are the changes to the accounting system. You can access this report from Accountants area, Reports, Audit Reports, System Audit Trail. From Report Filters, you can view Category, Company Details, Company Logo. Like that, you can view what is the category. From Report Options, you can view the date range. If you want to include the username into the report, you can check on this Display User checkbox. Hit View Report button. You can view the System Audit Trail report. You can view the category, date, time, user, and description.